Are you looking to record your WhatsApp calls on your iPhone 15 Pro Max? If so, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can capture those important conversations effortlessly. Imagine being able to revisit the heartfelt conversation or crucial business call anytime you want. Recording WhatsApp calls on your iPhone 15 Pro Max is not only possible but also straightforward with the right steps. Let's dive in. Enable screen recording. First, go to your settings, tap on Control Center and add screen recording to your Control Center options. Open WhatsApp and initiate the call you wish to record. Make sure to put the call on speaker mode for optimal audio capture. Swipe down the right corner of your screen to access the Control Center. Screen recording icon. Just tap it. You'll see a countdown and then it will start recording everything on your screen, including audio. Once you're done with the call, return to the Control Center and tap the screen recording icon again to stop. Your recording will be saved automatically in your Photos app. Go to the Photos app and find your recording. You can listen to it anytime. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily record WhatsApp calls on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Whether it's for personal memories or important discussions, having recording can be incredibly useful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy recording!